Have you ever seen how money is printed? And often you must be thinking that if the government prints unlimited money, then the poverty of this country will be removed. Everyone will become rich and no one will sleep hungry in this country due to poverty. Now friends, the same question must be coming in your mind. How does the government print money? So in today's video, let us talk about how the government prints so many notes. So friends, first of all, big bundles of cotton come to the factory, and now these big blocks of cotton are mixed properly. After proper mixing, that cotton is first thrown into very big drums of paper and water so that it does not go into the notes made from it. Now after removing all the water from it, it is put in a machine, which compresses the entire mixture and makes paper. Now friends, you must have seen that there is a watermark of Gandhiji on Indian currency, and this watermark is applied first in making the currency. Now on one side the watermark falls on the paper in the machine, and on the other side a big roll of the same paper keeps on being made. Now the inspection team takes some sample of paper from that big roll, so that they can check whether any mistake is being made or not. Now that big mother roll is cut into 3 rolls so that their further processing is easy. Now friends, you must have seen that there is a hologram on the notes, which we also call a wire, and it is of different color in every note, and this hologram too, after the watermark is applied on the notes. Now after this there is a visual inspection of the paper, which is done through the computer, and the quality inspector checks it thoroughly. Is the watermark and hologram on these notes correct or not? After that, the roll of paper is brought to this machine, which cuts it into small pieces. Now after this processing, these rolls of papers are sent to the printing area. Now when the roll is sent to the printing area, the worker picks up those papers and puts them in the printing machine, and the printing machine keeps sending the papers forward one by one. In the printing section also, the notes go through 3 types of printing. Now first the papers go through upset printing. Like see, this machine is printing a 50 rupee note, and red and green colors are used in it, and that is why red and green colors are also put in the machine by the workers. Now after this the quality inspector checks whether the color on the currency has become too dark or too light, and after this processing the notes go for silk screen printing. Like 2000 is written on this note, which appears to be of a different color from one side and its color changes from the other side. So this printing is done in silk screen printing. Now finally the last type of printing is intelligio printing. Now in this printing textures are printed on the notes, due to which if you touch the note then you come to know that something has been written, and that type of texture is applied in intelligio printing. Now after printing, the notes are sent to the cutting machine, where the notes are cut in the proper size, and then those notes after packaging are sent in big containers and sent in different bags, and the notes which get damaged here are further sent to RBI, and after that by cutting, the same number of notes are printed again. Like and follow us for more.